Hi, welcome to today's QuickBooks tutorial. I'm Pam with RPPC Inc. Today I'm going to highlight some of the accounting preferences on how you can set those up to really customize your QuickBooks file for you. So ideally, anytime you're working with the preferences, it works best to be logged in as admin in single user mode. You're going to click here on Edit, Preferences, select Accounting, select to company preferences. Here to use account numbers. If you want account numbers on your general ledger accounts, you can be able to select it right here to be able to require accounts. And if you want it to show the lowest sub count only, all of these are options that you can select when they add value to your personal situation. Secondly, here in the class, if you're going to use class tracking, I do recommend to prompt to assign class. That way you don't accidentally overlook it. You can also, here it comes automatically selected to automatically assign general journal entry and warn when posting a transaction to retained earnings. I do recommend that you leave those like they are. I like this warn if transactions are more than 90 days in the past or 30 days in the future. This works really nice at year end, especially when it's coming up with that new year and we're so used to posting the prior year date. So it helps to make sure that we're keeping it in the right time period. Most of all, closing your books at month end, quarter end, year end. Click here to set date and password. Enter the closing date. Once you have the closing date entered, put in the closing date password and confirm it. I do recommend using a different password than what you use to log into QuickBooks. That way, when you are entering a transaction that would require that password, it helps you to stop, double check. Do you really want to enter that? Because it's going to impact something that you've already closed. So that's today's tips on how you set your accounting preferences up in QuickBooks. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me.